And our next honoree, Yaara Nouri from University of British Columbia. From speech therapy and audiology to health policy administration, Yaara has built an impressive career dedicated to patient care and system-level improvements. Originally from Israel, her work in public health expanded through her time in the Embassy of Israel in Kenya, where she supported COVID-19 response efforts in East Africa. Upon moving to Canada, Yaara pursued a Master's of Health Administration at UBC, transitioning into healthcare administration while working at the BC Ministry of Health. Her policy contributions in pharmacy care and elder care continue to shape the healthcare delivery, particularly in aging services. With a diverse expertise spanning clinical care, international health, and administration, Yaara is poised to bring a transformative changes to our Canadian healthcare system. Please join me in congratulating Yaara. Please come on the stage.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm incredibly honored to receive the Robert Woods Johnson Award, and I want to thank the Canadian College of Health Leaders, Johnson & Johnson MedTech, and the University of British Columbia for this recognition. My heart is in two lands, in Israel, where my passion for public service began, where my family still lives, and where I first learned that service is about building something larger than yourself. And in Canada, where I've been able to take root in a new system and be accepted as a healthcare leader, even as I'm still learning, still growing, and still finding my voice in this context. When I started this program, I wasn't sure if I'd belong. I hadn't studied in English before. I had no local network. I wasn't sure how my experience as a speech therapist, a public servant, a newcomer, and a mother would translate into Canadian healthcare. But what I found here at UBC, in my cohort, and in the health system itself was that leadership doesn't begin with certainty. It begins with curiosity, humility, and the willingness to listen. I know this is a difficult time to be a healthcare leader. We are emerging from public health crisis that has stretched the people and systems to the limit. At the same time, we face growing skepticism towards public institutions. But it's in these moments when trust is strained, when capacity is thin, that leadership matters most. To my professors, my classmates, my family, especially my husband and son, thank you for supporting me through this journey. As it says in Prix, a book of Jewish ethical teachings, you are not obligated to complete the work, but neither are you free to abandon it. That line has always reminded me that the scale of the challenge doesn't excuse us from showing up. This award isn't an ending. It's a commitment to keeping doing the work, even when it's unfinished, even when it's hard. Thank you.